So today I'm replacing the front track bar on my 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The track bar is connected to the chassis at one end and at the axle on the other end. Its purpose is to keep the axle centered under the Jeep and control its lateral movement. Lifting these Jeeps over 3.5 inches will cause your track bars to pull your rear axle out towards the passenger side and your front axle towards the driver's side, which left unchecked may cause drifting at highway speeds and increase tire wear. The only way to fix the issue is by upgrading to adjustable track bars that you can make longer or shorter depending on what you need. I've already replaced the rear track bar, so if you want to see that video, I'll leave it linked in the description below. So the first step is to jack up the front end and support it with jack stands, then remove the front driver's side wheel. And here's the location of the track bar bracket. You're going to need an 18mm socket to remove these two nuts. If you look on the inside towards the top of the track bar bracket, you'll see two bolts. To get to them, I'll be using a 6-inch extension with the 18mm swivel socket. Now for the axle side, you'll need a 15mm socket. I stripped the flag nut that was once here a while ago, so I'll be using the 15mm offset box wrench to hold this nut still. Now the new bracket is a direct fit, so it goes on the same way the old one did. You want to use red Loctite on all 4 of the fasteners and don't tighten anything down until you get all the bolts started. That way you can make adjustments if needed. So now that the bracket is on, I'm going to put the wheel back on and cycle the suspension and drive it back and forth while moving the wheels to let the axle center itself. Then I'll put the new track bar on with the wheels on the ground. So this is the new track bar order from Rough Country, part number 1181C for around $140 ship. It weighs almost twice as much as the factory unit, coming in at 16 pounds. It has cleavite bushing and is fully adjustable while on the vehicle. It's ideal for lifts up to 3.5 inches. For installation, the part closest to the adjustment sleeve goes to the axle side, and you want to make sure this end is angled down. You may have to turn the adjustment sleeve to shorten or lengthen the track bar so the holes line up on the other side. You'll need an 18mm socket and wrench to tighten this bolt down. You can use a 5/8 or a 16mm wrench to tighten down this adjustment sleeve, and for the axle bolt, you'll need a 17mm wrench.